Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you how to disable hotkeys on your Lenovo ThinkPad or Lenovo IdeaPad as I have right now. I'm going to power on, but when I go to the BIOS system I have to click Fn to F2. I hold Fn, then I click F2, then it will take me to the BIOS system, but at times it is very tiresome to do. So what you're going to do, I'm going to bring the laptop closer. I want you to click the right arrow key, then you go to hotkeys. Then when you got hotkeys, I want you to enable the function key. Then I'm going to click F10, but I'll just go to exit, then save changes. I click yes, then the computer will reboot. Then I'll click F12, then this will take me to the boot menu, and this I'm going to restart again, and I'll click F2 to go to the BIOS system, and this solves the problem of the Fn hotkeys. If this video is helpful, please subscribe, comment, like, and also click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.